So here are 5 things you should know if you're considering the UK business self-sponsorship. First thing I need you to know is that it's actually possible to sponsor yourself with your business, but no, it's not as easy as most people make it sound online. By the end of this video, you should know if this is actually the right thing for you to do, or if you can actually do it to begin with. So here are 5 things you should know if you're looking at the UK self-sponsorship route. Number 1. Self-sponsorship is not actually a visa type. Now, the first thing you should know is this, and this surprises a lot of people. Self-sponsorship is not a real visa. I know everyone calls it a real visa, but that is not actually what it is. Now, this is what it actually means. You start a company in the UK, then that company gets something called a sponsorship license, and then that company sponsors you for a skilled worker visa. So in reality, what you're actually getting is a normal skilled worker visa, but this time it's just through your own business. So what this actually means is that all the normal rules actually apply to you, just like when any other company employs you, like the minimum salary requirements. Your job has to be a skilled enough worker for you to get the visa. You have to follow all the compliance rules and everything attached to a normal skilled worker visa. Now, if someone tells you that this is a loophole, or this is a super easy way for you to get in, that is a big red flag. They are lying to you. Now, the second thing you should know is that your business has to be real, 101% real. And this is where most people mess a lot of these things up. Your business cannot just exist on paper. It has to be a real business. It has to be a tangible business. It has to be something that is already running. What does real actually mean, or how does the UK Home Office look at a real business? The first is your business actually must be doing something. It can't be dormant. 2, you have real customers and clients. 3, it's money actually moving through those bank accounts you have. If you have 1 or 2 bank accounts, and money actually moving through them. 3, they are going to look at your business plan. Does it make sense? So this is what they're basically asking. Is your business actually something real, or are you just trying to make it up to get visa? So you need to be able to show bank statements, you need to show invoices and contacts, you need to be able to show proof that your business really actually needs you to sponsor you and can actually pay you when it sponsors you. So I want you to think about it like this. If you were the government, would you believe this business is real? So let's say your business, for example, if you were to be a home office, for example, and someone approves your business to you, would you be able to believe that this business is real, or is just a front? Now, that is how they actually look at this thing. So number 3 is that your job role must actually make sense. The job role you are trying to use your business to sponsor yourself for must actually make sense. You can't just make up any job title or just one hibbity jumpity thing and add it to yourself and say it's a job role. It must actually make sense. It must be on the UK skilled worker occupation list. It must match what you have done before. You must have a portfolio. It must actually make sense for your business size. I'll give you an example. If your company just started last month and has 0 employers or 0 employees and makes no money yet, you can't call yourself a global CEO or a chief strategy advisor. That looks fake, or that's actually some form of bullshit. Your job title needs to either be real or be skilled. It must be something your business actually really needs. See, this is what the immigration officers will ask. Would this job exist if immigration wasn't involved? And you have to make sure that your answer to that question is yes. And number 4 is that you need money. A lot of money. Don't let people deceive you online thinking it's a free part. No, you need a lot of money. So let's talk about the cost of this whole thing. You see, your business has to pay you a proper salary first of all, and it has to be at least a minimum amount for a skilled worker visa. Now, this is paid through the UK tax system every single month, and that is not all. That is not all. You need to apply for a sponsor license, and the sponsor license comes with a sponsor license fee. You need to get immigration skills, pay for immigration skills charge. You need to pay for your visa application fees. You need to pay for what is called health subcharge. This is for you using the NHS. Now, all of these amounts you might think is small, but before you know it, you're spending thousands and thousands of pounds. So your business needs to be strong enough to afford these expenses. And then you start looking at normal business costs, plus your legal salary, plus all these immigration fees and stuff like that. See, if your business is just starting out or struggling with money, this route might not be for you yet. Now, number 5 is that you have to follow these rules forever. Now, this is one thing most people don't realize. Once you become a sponsor, you don't just set out and maybe forget about it. Once you've become a sponsor, you have what is called ongoing responsibilities. For example, you need to have to keep records of every single thing. It's very, very important. You need to report any changes to the government. You need to renew your license every other year. You need to be ready for inspections at anytime. Yes, the home office can actually show up at your business and check everything unannounced. They don't need to inform you. And if you as much as break any of these rules, they can take away your sponsor license, which invariably means you lose your stay or you lose your visa in the UK. So this is not just a one-off thing that you do and you go jolly more. No, it's a long-term commitment. You have to stay compliant every single day. So here is the bottom line of everything I'm trying to say. You see, the UK self-sponsorship can work really, really well, but only if you can do it the right way and the proper way. There is no shortcut, there is no hack. It's actually a very serious business, and it is not just an immigration strategy. It's actually serious business. So if you're thinking about using this route, make sure you understand both the immigration side of it and the business side of it. If this video helped you, smash the like button and do not forget to subscribe for more UK contents like this or for more business contents like this. If you'd like to join our community, I send out business newsletters every single week like this one to keep you informed and updated. If you'd like to join our community, I'm going to leave a link in the description you can use to sign up to be part of our UK business owners community. I hope this video helps you, and I'll see you tomorrow.